I've never been in love.
It's cute. You assume I have feelings. I don't.
You really think you have it all figured out?
I do.
Little ghost, you're listening.
Just lost everything, Alec.
You don't miss a thing.
I know exactly what that feels like.
I walk the halls invisibly.
I don't care about either of them. They mean nothing to me.
No one but you.
Now Clary is the only thing that matters.
You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard.
It's gonna be fine.
No, it's not!
Think about who her father is. She has no one.
You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly, pretty.
Jace, don't listen to him. He's my father. We know that for a fact.
Yes, that's true. That's a fact. I am your father, Clary. And Jace's.
Oh, little ghost, you see the pain, but together we
said things, felt things. Is that me? Is it you? Is it even real?
There's
something wrong with me. This is real, Claire. I'm weak.
Jace? Jace! Please, slow down. We need to talk about this.
Talk about what? I'm good.
My wounded wings still beating.
I can't do this right now, I'm sorry.
Always love the stranger inside me, ugly, pretty.
Jace.
It's not something you understand in your mind. It's something you know because it's pulsing through your body.
Jace, we still have to talk about
Us? Shut up and kiss me.
I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard.
You must be sick or something.
I get it. I feel the same way.
Always love the stranger inside me, ugly, pretty.